Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will explore Meta in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of December 2nd, 2024, our system has categorized Meta as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.51%. This results in an average return of 1.76% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we cannot ascertain the stock's next movement, as it may advance in either direction. The stock is currently positioned in the middle of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The 3-month trend predicts a possible change of approximately 8.56% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from a slight decrease of 0.447% to an increase of 11.13%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of around 45.4% over the next year, with potential returns between 25.28% and 57.71%. This equates to a price range between $768.81 and $967.80 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, "Evaluation of Meta stock downgraded after the last trading session." On the last trading day, the Meta stock price increased by 3.51%, rising from $592.83 to $613.65. This marks its third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether it can maintain this upward momentum or take a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.88%, ranging from a low of $591.25 to a high of $614.20. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 10.69% over the past 2 weeks. On the last trading day, trading volume also increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 3 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with an overall volume of 14 million shares exchanged for approximately $8.8 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $614.20, while the lowest was $315.39. Currently, the price is 0.09% or 55 cents below the 52-week high of $614.20, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is making significant strides as it seeks nuclear power developers to support its expanding energy needs, particularly as it prepares for increased demand stemming from artificial intelligence projects. This strategic move positions Meta among leading tech firms investing in sustainable and reliable power solutions, potentially stabilizing operational costs and enhancing long-term profitability. In the political landscape, Meta reported that concerns about AI-induced misinformation during the 2024 elections did not materialize, with AI-generated content comprising less than 1% of election-related misinformation on its platform. This positive development can bolster investor confidence, affirming Meta's commitment to maintaining the integrity of its platforms and mitigating regulatory risks. Moreover, a potential TikTok ban in the United States could create a windfall for Meta's short-form video offerings, further boosting revenue prospects. Favorable macroeconomic conditions and Meta's strong foothold in digital advertising suggest the company is well-positioned for sustained growth, with double-digit increases in revenue anticipated in the coming years. Analysts are optimistic, rating Meta as a strong buy following impressive financial results, including a 19% year-over-year revenue growth in the third quarter. This bullish sentiment underscores the stock's potential for significant appreciation in both the short and long term, especially as Meta continues to innovate in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and virtual reality. Collectively, these factors contribute to a positive outlook on Meta's stock performance moving forward. Analyst ratings on Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned Meta a sector perform grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight grade with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Meta an outperform grade with a hold recommendation. Analysts have classified Meta stock with a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have assigned the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected around $578.26 and $575.24. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 15th of November, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 10.75%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 85 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 78 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $591.80. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the the stock experienced a movement of $22.95, which is a change of 3.88% between its highest and lowest points. During the last week, the stock displayed an average daily volatility of 2.66%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, there's the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard and is often observed in companies with long histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate set at $6.74. It is advisable to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $591.80. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of November, 2024, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of November, 2024, Newstead Jennifer executed another insider sale of 350 shares of Class A common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Olive and Javier conducted an insider sale of 413 shares of Class A common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Newstead Jennifer again executed an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of November, 2024, Bosworth Andrew conducted an insider sale of 6,791 shares of restricted stock units, or RSUs, of Class A. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 27.316. In summary, insiders purchased 132,798 shares and sold 233,705 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $590.30, which reflects a decrease of 3.8%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, resulting in a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta presents several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, meaning investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while monitoring further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of December, we anticipate that Meta will open lower, down by $7.28, starting at a price of $606.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.